For a practical idea of behind-the-scenes look in the broadcasting house, the pupils of Cathedral Church of Our Saviour Junior School, Ejiri Road, Ijebu Ode, have explored Nta Ijebu Ode. Zainab Okpeniyi reports that the pupils were excited with first-hand learning experience gathered at the end of the educational trip. The report.
Led by their tutors, pupils of Cathedral Church of Our Saviour Junior School, Ejiri Road, Ijebu Ode, explored Nta Ijebu Ode, seeking to gain knowledge on behind-the-scenes look at broadcasting. On arrival, an admin staff, Mrs. Mojisola Olaosebikon, gave the visitors a detailed narration about Nta Ijebu Ode. She also took them around few departments in the station as well, explained their functions.
The community center is headed by who? The zonal center is headed by who? By the zonal director.
Thereafter, the pupils were taken to engineering department where engineer Tope Ajayi explained to them what transpired in the department and how the operations go.
This control room, we usually add two things together. We usually add what?
Two things together.
Number one of it is audio. Number one is what?
Audio.
As they explored the station, some of the pupils couldn't contain their excitement as they eagerly shared their experiences.
I've learned so far that we have the studio where we make our programs that we want to present. They said the news department, the person who cast the news is a newscaster.
A tutor of the school, Mrs. Shunamite, said the trip is a worthwhile experience and exposure beyond the classroom.
This has exposed and added more to the knowledge of these children, and to the school. I believe it's a plus for them because it's going to help us expose the school also to the world that the children, the school is not always all about money, but it's about the children and the development of the children.
He acknowledged the valuable learning that occurred through such experiences.